Hello students, welcome to Dr. Shourab's classes. So in this particular video you know that we are solving the UPSC Maths Paper 1. So this is the Maths Optional Paper, part Paper 1 of 2021. So in the previous videos we have solved up the question number 4. So here it is question number 5a. So this previous year question is always carries this a very important part in any exam. So that is the thing. So okay, let's move to this question number 5a. So this we have to solve the differential equation. So it is given as d2 plus 2 y x square e to the power x plus e to the power x cos 2x, right? So here the auxiliary equation we have, this auxiliary equation is d square plus 2 equal to 0. So d is equal to plus minus I root 2. Okay, so here the complementary function, the CF, we can write it as C1 cos x root 2 plus C2 sin x root 2. Okay, so here this C1 and C2 being this arbitrary constants, right? So now the particular integral corresponding to this function x square e to the power x, so pi corresponding to x square e to the power ex. So that is, we have 1 by d2 plus 2 x square e to the power 3x. So here it is e to the power 3x 1 plus 1 by d plus 3 whole square plus 2. Here it will be x square. So simplifying this, we have e to the power 3x 1 by d square plus 6d plus 11 x square, right? Now if we do some simplification, so here we have e to the power 3x, this is 1 upon, if we take 11 common out of it, so 1 plus 6d by 11 plus d square by 11, right? This is x square. So from here we have this e to the power 3x by 11, and we can simply write it this as 1 plus, in the first bracket, 6d plus d square by 11 to the power whole to the power minus 1 x square, right? So simplifying this, we can write, so here it will be to the power 3x by 11. So we can do this as 1 minus 6d plus d squared by 11. We can go up to the second term, that is, it is 6d plus d square by 11, this whole square, right, minus up to x square. So simplifying further, we will get this will be 1 minus 6d by 11 minus d square by 11 plus 36 d square by, it is 121. Okay, so this 121, so we have this up to plus this of x square, this of x square. Okay, now if we, this d square is d square over there, so minus d square 11, so we can further simplify it. So it is e to the power 3x by 11, so it will be 1 minus 6d by 11 plus of 25d square by 121, right, plus of x square. So from here d and d will, so 6d x square, so d of x square is 2x, so we have, this will be e to the power 3x by 11, from here 6d by 11 of x square, that is 1 minus 12x by 11 plus, this is 25, so this is 50 by 121, right. So after simplifying, so we have this e to the power 3x 121x square minus 132x plus 50, this whole by 11 cube, right. Now this is the pi corresponding to x square e to the power 3x. Now we have another term, so for the pi corresponding to the term e to the power x cos of 2x, so simply we have the 1 by d square d2 by plus 2, we have this e to the power x cos of 2x, so e to the power x, here it will be d plus 1 whole square plus 2 cos of 2x, right. So here you can simply write this is e to the power x, we have this d square plus 2d plus 3, and this is cos of 2x. So we can write this d2 as minus 2 square plus 2d plus 3 cos of 2x, right. So this is nothing but 4, so e to the power x by 2d minus 1, this will be cos of 2x, so this is 2d minus 1 cos of 2x. So if we multiply this 2d plus 1 on both numerator and denominator, so it will be 4d square d2 minus 1, simply it will be cos of 2x, right. So now in d square, this d2 we can write minus 2 square, so which will be simply minus of 16, so that will be e to the power x minus of 17, so this 2d plus 1 cos of 2x, right. So you got the point. So from here we can simply write this is minus e to the power x by 17, so 2d plus 1, it will be minus of 4 sin 2x plus cos 2x, right. So the required solution will be pi plus cf, that is, so we have to find the required solution. So this is y is equal to the cf that we got, the c1 cos of x root 2 plus c2 sine of x root 2. So here the pi for the first term, that is e to the power 3x by 11 cube, it is 121x square minus 132x plus 50 and minus e to the power x by 17 we have this cos of 2x minus 4 sine 2x. So that is the answer to this particular question. So we have to solve the differential equation. So that is the answer to this differential equation. Question number 5a.